Alright, so guys, so listen, we are about to attempt to install some rock lights. I got these rock lights from Moonlight from a guy, JC Custom. So we're gonna see how this go. I never did this before. I just wanted to try it, and we're just gonna see how it go. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm not gonna document everything. I'm just gonna show what I'm doing like a time lapse. So let's just go ahead and get started. So what I just did, I just pretty much drilled the holes right here. I measured it off. I know where I want it to be, so I can have it a little bit somewhat decent to where I know I want to be at. Alright, now just sticking a hole through here. So what I'm about to do right here is pretty much go black to black, red to red. I got one of these pigtail butt connectors, not butt connectors, these big 2-pin connectors. So when if I ever had to take out the fender well, I can just disconnect this instead of cutting the cable. Got this at what's the name of the place? AutoZone? No, Advance. And they got, I'm using this to kind of hold the wire while I solder it. So yeah. Guys, it is early in the morning. Boy, tired as hell. I still haven't bolted or screwed down the wheel liner yet, so I figured I'd take this apart to show y'all how I did it. I can't remember whether I showed you earlier or not. Hold on for a second. So let's see if I can brighten this up just a little bit. I'm trying to take that thing off. So as you can see right here, I got a 2-pin connector, pigtail connector. What I did was solder these wires. So I got like a, let me see, a 3-way split. So this one is going up to the battery. Let's see. That one with the wire loom on it. This one right here is going down to the 2 rock lights up under the truck in the front, and this one go all the way back to the very back to the rear wheel liner. So that's pretty much how I decided to do that, and that way if I ever want to take off the wheel liner again, I can just disconnect that and still have the wires, everything intact. And it's pretty much like that all the way around the truck as well. I'm not going to take out these to show you. I'll show you guys what it looked like later tonight, and show more up under the hood and everything, but I got to get ready to drop the truck off to get a recall. Finished late last night. It's been a long process. It's my first time doing it. I'll show you guys everything, how the wires look up under and everything. The finished piece at night, I waited just to get these clips for y'all so you guys can see what it looks like at night. Again, this is a 12 piece. Look pretty good. See that one right there? Yeah, these things are bright, bro. Got two right here. I got two in the back. One right there. One right there. You see them right up under there. One right there. And another one over there. Now I just need to get two up under the doors on each side, and then put one in the very middle, and it'll help clear up those shadows. But I think these 12 look pretty good, to be honest. So these rock lights are the moonlight lighting rock lights. If the wind noise, I'm sorry, can't do nothing about it right now. I got 12-piece rock light set, and man, these things are crazy bright. As you saw in the video where I showed you what it looked like at night. As you can see, yeah. Two up under here, two under each wheel well, and then two in the very back. I do want to add two more on each side, so one right here at the front of the door, and then one right here right at the back, and then maybe one in the very middle somewhere to kind of help eliminate those shadows. My truck is dirty, excuse me, y'all. But so I gotta take out all the wheel well liners. I got real wheel well liners. Now I got these for a crazy deal. I found them on Marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace. Found them brand new for $60. Got a crazy steal, and they Husky liners. Man, I think I did pretty good for me to install these by myself. The first time me ever doing something like this, and they came out real good, man. I hit the wires pretty good. You see, I zip tied the wires right here, so where you can't really see them right there. And it's pretty much like that all the way around the truck. So the way I ran the wires is basically like a big U. So it goes from all the way from the back of that real well liner back there, and then it come wrap all the way around right here and connect right there and go all the way to the back. The video I watched that helped me install these rock lights, man, they probably the best video I seen on YouTube, like teach me how to do it step by step, and I'll link that down in the description. I also link down everything I use down in the description. So if you want you a set of these rock lights, which I highly recommend because they are very bright, you can I'll leave a link down in the description below. You can get 20% off on your first purchase of these rock lights if you use promo code TFB 5.0. That is a deal. I'm gonna show y'all something a little different from what a lot of people don't do. A lot of people use a switch. I'm gonna show you how I got it wired up under the hood. I still have to clean some of this up under the hood though, but up under the hood. So yeah, I gotta clean like the wiring and everything right here up. But a lot of people, they use a rocker switch, and I didn't want to have to go through the firewall and do all this and that to put the switch in. So what I did was I got a Blazer International, basically a control module. This thing here, it basically controls the power of the rock light, so I can turn it on and off with this by using a remote. I'll leave a link down in the description for this as well. You can get this off Amazon, or you can get this at your local AutoZone. I got it actually taped to 3M tape, 3M double-sided tape to my fuse box. I didn't want to drill a hole in the box. I wanted to see how it stay put with the 3M tape, and it's been holding up pretty good. They give you screws that you can screw into it, but screw into wherever you want to screw it to. Basically, once you run all your wires and you got your main wire, as these two right here are my main connection wires, just turn it on and off right here. See? Blazer International. A lot of people don't know about this. But this little hack, little trick, make sure you shout your boy out for this, you know what I'm saying? So you can use this instead of using the switch. And it's a lot easier and actually a lot more safer than compared to using the switch. And this little thing here came in handy, man. I'm glad I found this. Somebody actually put me on game with this. You can get this for like about $55, $60. They actually have one that is like Bluetooth connection, so you connect it to your phone. I had these Rocklights installed for about almost a month now. Everything been good so far. So like I say, control all the lights. If you want you some Rocklights, get you some crazy bright Rocklights, hit the link down in the description below. Get you a set of these Rocklights, and you won't be disappointed. I can promise you that. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be all for me today. I'll catch y'all on the next video. We out.